I wanted to cover 3 common errors I see when athletes send in their RDL form checks. The first one combines 2 errors. Firstly, you'll see a lot of people drive the knees forwards and thinking too much about knee flexion and knee extension versus hip flexion and hip extension. This can lead to the athlete feeling these more in their lower back and less in their glutes. And we don't want that when we're trying to build a dump truck of a booty. As you can see now, my shins remain vertical, my knees are in line with the ankles, and I'm focusing on driving those hips backwards and forwards instead of just simply going down and up. Another common error is typically due to the cue, sit back in your heels. This is where that tripod foot stance comes into play. Sitting back in your heels is the absolute worst cue to give an athlete, as they are now less stable and will not have even pressure in the foot. We want the most stable base here, focusing on force production through your entire foot versus just sitting back in the heels. Like, where did that even come from? But try these cues out next time you have RDLs.